And plot 26 is Studio Camp Architects. Well done.
We wanted to create a design that was simple, but and create an affordable house. The pair of houses are they've got a very strong internal and external relationship, partly due to the double height winter garden space, which the sort of interior is focused around. The lower floor is an open plan space which opens out onto the courtyard at the front and the garden at the back. The double height spaces benefit from the solar gain. They're both south facing, so you've got this, it almost creates another living space, this double height hallway, which is also the entrance space. The houses are, the concepts, they have a heavy masonry core which houses the kitchen and bathrooms areas, which will store heat from these daily activities and gradually release it when it's required. The external envelope is a very highly insulated, lightweight timber frame, which is also breathable, which we felt was very important. So any moisture build-up within the dwelling will evaporate, can escape through the walls, giving a good quality and sort of internal air quality, which will promote a healthier way of living. The underfloor insulation is recycled. It's a clay granular fill. I think some of the steel in the roof is recycled. Also the insulation in the walls is recycled glass wool. A lot of the materials we've tried as hard as we can to source them locally to avoid the travel. The house is heated from an air-sourced heat pump, which is located in the garden. That's all of the heating systems run off of that, which should have really reduced the heating costs, which is really important. There is a wood-burning stove, which located in the living area, which we felt was also important to have that element as sort of the heart of the home around which the family would gather. We think we've designed a good quality living space. It's contemporary. It's got the double height winter garden space, which would be a great asset. The lower floor is open plan, allowing the sort of various overlap and various activities. It's got a very good environmental performance and low running costs, and it's got a great sort of relationship with the internal and external spaces, which is they're focused around this courtyard. I think also that the house has been designed in quite a affordable manner, with making the most of the space, with the sort of open plan style of living. Yes, it feels spacious, although it's a relatively modest-sized house. We're very pleased to see the house, and we've had a few changes to it, but generally it's very similar to the original design idea, and to date we think that it sits really well in its context, and the proportions look good, and looking forward to getting inside and having a look around.